Almighty Allah, the most merciful, entirely merciful, and specially merciful. Hope that guys, all of you will be fine and stay away from coronavirus. Before starting our new lesson, I have to tell you something that's very important. Just you have to stay away from crowded places and observe the hygiene. This is my notice for you guys. You have to stay at home. Don't go around the city. Just stay at home. Okay, dear honorable students, welcome back again to your next session of your grammar. Today we are going to talk about the other types of adverb, that is what? That is called adverbs of purpose. How we gonna use adverbs of purpose in our sentences. Okay, now we are starting our new lesson. Just let's start. We have discussed about adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of certainty, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, adverbs of degree. But today we are going to discuss about adverbs of purpose. It means that قيود هدف. Before starting our lesson, just let's take a look for our previous lesson that we have discussed about adverb of time, that what is adverb of time, and also with more details. And after that we discussed about adverb of frequency, that what is adverb of frequency. We also discussed about this issue, about this grammar. And after that we discussed about adverbs of certainty, that what is adverbs of certainty. We also discussed about this, but adverbs of place, that how we gonna use adverbs of place in the sentences. Okay, and also adverbs of manner, that how can we use adverbs of manner in the sentences. Okay, just we got also this. Now we also discussed about adverbs of degrees, that what is adverbs of degrees. We also discussed about the definition of adverbs of degrees, that what is adverbs of degrees with more details, that how we gonna use adverbs of degrees in examples. Okay, we discussed, but right now we are going to discuss about adverbs of purpose, that what is adverbs of purpose. First of all, we should know the definition of adverbs of purpose, that what is that? That is sometimes adverbs of purpose called adverbs of reason, that tell us why something happens or is the case. They can modify verbs, adjectives, or adverbs. We also have another definition for adverbs of purpose, that adverbs of purpose, also known as adverbs of reasons, that before we mentioned this one, are words those express the reason or an aim in the form of change a group of words. Or we can also say it like this, or we can say that the reason or an action or an aim in the form of clause or group of words that they are put together. Okay, just now we're moving to that what are adverbs of purpose. We have as a result, hence, therefore, just in order, that just we have lots of adverbs of purpose. Just we mention here some of them. Just look at the example, how we gonna recognize that is it adverbs of purpose or not. Okay, Sana hadn't enjoyed the play. As a result, she didn't recommend it. Just we mentioned about that what is adverbs of purpose, tell us why something happens. She hadn't enjoyed the play. Why she hadn't enjoyed the play? Because what is the result here? The result is she didn't recommend it. Okay, now we're going to the next example, that clothing is handcrafted and hence expensive. Well, okay, just what is the adverbs of purpose here? Hence, because the cloth is handcrafted and hence expensive. And the other example, because of my operation, I had to cancel my flight. Okay, this is the other example, that how we gonna use adverbs of purpose in the sentences. Now, which one is adverbs of purpose? And because of my operation, I had to cancel my flight. Here, the bold green color is adverbs of purpose, that my operation. Because of my operation, I had to cancel my flight. This is the other example for adverbs of purpose. We have lots of examples, like here, he therefore joined army to save, to serve his country and his what? And its country. This is, or we can say that, and its people and its country. This is very important. That he therefore joined army to serve his country and its people. Now, which one is adverbs of purpose here? Therefore, because therefore join, or we can say tell us more details about, or we can say that tell us some reason about the case. Okay, another example, they get paid consequently of their what? Of their hard work. They get paid consequently, consequently of their hard work. Which one is here adverbs of purpose? Here consequently is adverbs of purpose. That how we gonna use adverbs of purpose in the sentences. And the other example, that help poor and needy in order to serve. To serve what? God. This is very good example. Look at it. I'm gonna repeat this one. Help poor and needy in order to serve Almighty Allah, or to serve God. Okay. Now the other example. Since it's snowing, I'm feeling very cold. This is the other example. We have lots of example. You can make more example with yourself, guys. This is not the last example that Siana hadn't enjoyed the play. As a result, she didn't recommend it. No, this is not the last example. You can make more examples with yourself. This is not the end of lesson that we're gonna make more slides for your new lesson guide. Just you have to prepare yourself. You have to try your best to be the best, guys. Okay, welcome back, guys, for the vocabulary session. Hope that all of you will be fine. Just now we're going to start our lessons, that these words are very important for your daily activity. Words for your daily routine. Okay, let's start. The title is Words for Measurement. Nowadays, the measurement part is also very, measurement parts of parts are very important in our society, in our country, that we have faced lots of measurements in our daily activities. Okay, now let's start by the first word, that what is written here, just divide, 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 calculate, 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 measure, 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 convert, 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 one whole, one whole, one whole, one half, one half, one half, one third, one third, one third, one fourth, one fourth, one fourth, one eighth, one eighth, one eighth, calculator, 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 decimal point, decimal point, decimal point, decimal point, 100%, 100%, 100%, ruler, 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 centimeter, 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 inch, 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 height, 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 depth, 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 length, 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 width, 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 width. Okay, now it's finished. This is now your turn. You have to repeat. You have to repeat for several times. You have to write them down in your notebooks, because these words are also very important. And when you're talking, when you're measuring something, these words are very important, and you have to write them down in your notebooks, and you have to actuate your mind to know about these words. These words that I give you from the first session up to this level, these words are very important, guys. You have to try, you have to work with yourself, you have to repeat, you have to pronounce them. If you have any problem, then you can contact me. Okay, dear honorable students, hope that you have catch my lessons. And one thing I should tell you, dear honorable student, that read your lessons carefully, and try to work with yourself and practice with yourself. If